With flicks like Devdi, The Girl in Yellow Boots, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Kalki Koechlin has made a penchant for offbeat roles quite evident. She was in the city and it was known for no movie promotions this time, but to give tips on fashion. And can you imagine Kalki sporting a cotton sari? Yes, Kalki spoke about monsoon fashion, her personal style statement and of course about her upcoming flicks with my colleague Vyoma. After all, the fashionista that she is.
Well, she is known for her acting skills and not to miss also her fashion sense. And I'm talking about none other than the gorgeous Kalki Koechlin, who is right here with me. So Kalki, dressed in a sari, absolutely different. Why did you pick up a sari today?
I just felt like it, I think I've already said before that I have a very mercurial sense of dressing, and today was I woke up and wanted to wear a sari.
Okay, and why, it's a very subtle sari if you see black with certain, gray shades mixed. So why?
Yeah, I mean, I like very, easy cotton saris. This one is from Dhaka, and I love all these like saris which are really comfortable and sort of soft rather than the stiff saris, and because it's a day event I thought it would be nicer than wearing like a silk sari.
Okay. What are the kind of colors that you have in your wardrobe? I'm sure all the audience out there would love to know what kind of wardrobe does, the fashionable Kalki has.
I have all sorts of things, a whole array of hats, which, kind of work for all my bad hair days. I have a Charlie Chaplin hat and a baseball cap and a cowboy hat and lots of things like that. And the other thing I have a weakness for is shoes. I love all sorts of shoes, big red shoes, boots, black shoes, kolhapuris, everything. So, and the rest is usually pretty simple actually, I like basics, I like jeans, t-shirts and ganjis and things like that.
And what is the fashion tip that you would like to give to the girls out there, considering that we are in monsoon?
Yeah, monsoons are a tough one. I think kolhapuris are an essential, chappals, because as soon as you wear shoes, they got all dirty and wet and everything. I actually think raincoats are coming back this season, We're always using umbrellas, but there are some really funky raincoats out there this year, lots of bright colors and stuff. So I would say gumboots and raincoats, old school.
Okay, and what about the makeup?
Makeup, well, if you're not in front of the camera like me, don't wear any makeup because it's just going to drip all over your face. And, I believe anyway in less is more, so less makeup.
Thanks a lot, Kalki, for talking to Newsnight. It was wonderful talking to you. So that was Kalki Koechlin, who spoke to us, told us about her fashion tips, about movies and lots more. With camera person Mahantesh, Vyoma Sharma for News9, Bengaluru.